Okay, back with the Leopard 24. She's actually currently out of the water, so I can give you some video of the underside. She's obviously powered by water jets. In pretty good order. There's a little bit of annual maintenance just to do before she's relaunched. And a coat of anti-foul obviously, but generally looking pretty good. We'll also get a view from the bow in a moment. Okay, back with the Leopard. Hull's been painted in quite a nice light, almost metallic blue. And she's due for a repaint. See into the bow thruster. Pretty good order. There you go, so from the bow, you can see the colour. Nice blue. There we go, all in all, a very nice Leopard 24. Please give us a call. Look forward to showing you the vessel.